In this podcast episode, Dr. Mark Hyman discusses 5 strategies to slow aging and repair the body. Dr. Hyman emphasizes the importance of using food as medicine, practicing good sleep hygiene, engaging in regular exercise, building community and finding a sense of purpose, and managing stress effectively. Dr. Hyman begins by highlighting the critical role of nutrition in slowing the aging process. He advocates for a diet rich in high-quality, personalized nutrition, emphasizing the avoidance of ultra-processed foods, refined starches, sugars, and processed foods. Instead, he recommends incorporating colorful fruits and vegetables, good fats, and high-quality meats, eggs, and fish into the diet. He also advises limiting sugar intake, avoiding refined oils, and choosing pasture-raised dairy products to support overall health and longevity. Sleep is another essential component of Dr. Hyman's anti-aging strategy. He stresses the significance of practicing good sleep hygiene, which includes maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, using the bed only for sleep and intimacy, creating a peaceful bedroom environment, and avoiding blue light exposure before bed. Dr. Hyman suggests techniques such as journaling, taking a hot bath, stretching, and using relaxation methods to promote better sleep. He also advises against consuming caffeine, alcohol, and certain medications that can disrupt sleep. Dr. Hyman delves into the concept of circadian rhythms and their vital role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles and overall health. He explains that our biological clocks are influenced by environmental cues such as light, meal times, and physical activity. Disruptions to these rhythms, caused by factors like screens, working overnight shifts, and stress, can negatively impact our health. Exercise is a key factor in maintaining health and slowing the aging process. Dr. Hyman recommends a combination of aerobic conditioning, strength training, flexibility exercises, and agility training to optimize health, metabolism, and lifespan. High-intensity interval training, sprints, and muscle-building exercises are particularly effective in boosting VO2 max, mitochondrial function, and metabolism. He also emphasizes the importance of staying flexible and agile through activities like yoga and stretching. Building community and finding a sense of purpose are essential for overall well-being and longevity. Dr. Hyman highlights the importance of connecting with others, volunteering, practicing kindness, and pursuing activities that bring joy and fulfillment. He encourages individuals to identify their passions, set goals, and contribute to making the world a better place. By transforming struggles into a purpose and prioritizing self-care, individuals can enhance their mental and emotional health. He references the Harvard study of adult development, which has been tracking individuals over an 80-year period to understand what factors contribute to a happy and healthy life. The study found that good relationships are the key to longevity and happiness, more so than career achievements, exercise, or diet. Dr. Hyman encourages listeners to reflect on their own social connections, prioritize meaningful relationships, and invest time and effort into nurturing these connections for improved health and well-being. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining overall health and vitality. Dr. Hyman suggests various stress management techniques, such as breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, journaling, gratitude practices, and spending time in nature. By focusing on positive aspects of life, investing in friendships, and seeking support from others, individuals can effectively cope with stress and improve their well-being. Additionally, incorporating massage therapy and other relaxation methods can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Dr. Hyman explains that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs can impact our biology, influencing gene expression, inflammation, hormones, and microbiome. He discusses the concept of psychoneuroimmunology, which explores the interaction between emotions, hormones, neurotransmitters, and the immune system. He suggests that practicing behaviors focused on self-healing, self-compassion, and connection with others can have a positive effect on health outcomes. In terms of mindset, Dr. Hyman emphasizes the importance of optimism, gratitude, and having a sense of purpose. He mentions that having a sense of purpose can extend life by 7 years, and that chronic stress can accelerate aging and increase oxidative stress. He suggests that changing one's perspective, expressing emotions, and finding meaning in life can have a profound impact on health and longevity.